How to fix almost any parking distance sensor problem on almost any vehicle in under 10 minutes. So a symptom of a parking sensor problem is when you put the vehicle in reverse, you should hear this long tone instead of the usual kind of sound that you'd hear with a healthy parking sensor system. Alternatively, you might find that your parking sensor system is picking up objects when they're not actually there and giving you clearly false readings when you know you're not near anything. Or you might not get the sound, but you might get an error message on your dash saying parking sensor not available, parking system not available. Common cause of this is car jet washing. Very often the moisture from the jet wash, especially when it's held very close to the sensor, will actually get into the sensor itself. Alternatively, over enthusiastically applied car wax can sometimes get into the parking sensor and inhibit its healthy operation. However, it does not damage the sensor and we can get back to a healthy sensor system very easily. I'm going to do a fault code scan on my vehicle, because A, it will confirm whether or not it really is a parking sensor issue, and B, it should tell me which parking sensor is causing the issue as well. However, you don't need to do a fault code scan. You can just apply this method to all of your parking sensors. This applies to any vehicle using traditional ultrasonic parking distance sensors, and it also applies to front as well as rear parking distance sensors. Okay, so the answer is really simple. You just spray a bit of WD-40. Now, according to the fault line, it was this sensor here which was not working, so I'm just going to take a bit of WD-40 now. You can use compressed air duster. However, that tends to come out very cold, and when it comes out cold, it could do some damage to the electronics inside the sensor. So if you have color-coded sensors, completely fine. This is perfectly safe for paintwork. It's not corrosive at all. Very safe. Going to get it right in there. Drive that moisture out. There you go, hope that helped. If this helped you, please do consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. And also like, comment, etc. All feedback is a gift, respectfully delivered. I truly believe that. If it has helped you at all, also a like and a comment would really help as well. Any questions, any comments, any constructive feedback, really, really welcome and very gratefully received. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Versus. Editor, cut that bit out. I'm just waffling on. That has not fixed the problem. So there you go.